How to fix Gjensidige app won't let me log in.
Well, the issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. It will land you on this homepage. Now, in the source bar,
You have to search for Gjensidige app.
move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, now the next step you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage.
You will be landing on this page. In here, you have to search for the application Gjensidige.
Once you find it, move into it. In here, you'll see the option of Offload App. Click on it. And then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. Well, it will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the app and make your application run smoothly. With the help of this, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, you can uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix
Gjensidige app won't let me log in.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.